Here, these are all my ratchets. I'm missing a breaker bar or two, but top 1/2 inch snap-on, old snap-on. Got another. It's pretty good. Here are just some that I got in here. Snap-on. All these are snap-on. And this little one is 1/2 inch. I actually have 2 of these. The other one is in the truck. It needs to be sent back. Here. Not sure where this one came from. Probably cheap set because you can't take them apart. Here, this isn't a bad ratchet. Probably cheap ratchet that came in the set. Of course, this is 1/4 inch. Jeez, this one's pretty tough. 1/4 inch. Really old Paul. My grandpa had a whole lot of these. So fun. Had to take that one apart. Here's Craftsman. Yep, Craftsman breaker bar, old breaker bar too. Here are my extensions. 1/2 inch Craftsman extension. 3 circular S&K extension. Same size, all trade. 1/4 inch. So there's a snap-on too. Yeah, I don't think you can read it. But it's snap-on, believe me. Here, a Westcraft. Probably an old trade. But that's about all. Sorry about the other stuff in the drawer. These are snap-on too. Snap-on. WD.